Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the icon of your PC. Changing your computer's default icon is an easy and fun way to personalize your desktop. In this tutorial, I'll take you step by step through the process of changing your PC's icon, from finding the icon you want to use to applying it to your desktop. First, let's slide aside the shortcuts for Recycle Bin, this PC, and the shutdown button. To find the icon file, start by opening Chrome in your web browser. In the search bar, type in Eco Icons and hit enter. Click on the first website. Now, in the search bar, search for shutdown. Multiple varieties of buttons will appear, so select the one you like most. You'll see that the website offers the icon in 3 different formats: PNG, ICO, and ICNS. PNG is a simple image format. ICO is specifically for Windows icons, and ICNS is used for Mac icons. I recommend using a high pixel icon for the best quality. Click and download it. Similarly, download the icons for your PC and Recycle Bin to ensure the best quality. Be sure to download high pixel icons when changing your PC's icon. Now, click on the Recycle Bin shortcut and go to Properties. Select the icon option and then click on Browse. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded the Recycle Bin icon earlier and select it. Once you've selected the icon, click Apply and then OK. Now, click on the Shutdown shortcut and go to Properties. Select the icon option and then click on Browse. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded the shutdown icon earlier and select it. Once you've selected the shutdown icon, click Apply and then OK. Similarly, again now, click on the This PC shortcut and go to Properties. Select the icon option and then click on Browse. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded the PC icon earlier and select it. Once you've selected the PC icon, click Apply and then OK. Check the new icons are working properly after changing them. Click on the Recycle Bin shortcut to confirm the new icon is displayed correctly. Repeat the process for the other 2 icons to ensure they're working properly too.